take you way too long to fold a shirt? Well, this is a solution for you. If you use this technique, you'll be able to cut your folding time in half. Easy peasy. Yeah. Okay, guys, so here's our shirt. So the first thing we are gonna do is turn it like this, because this is the direction they're facing. Okay, looks pretty good so far. Then they gave us 3 points. One here, here, and here. So I guess oh my gosh, what is that move that she's even doing? So one finger here at the shoulder, one in the middle. So then we just do a little swap-a-rooney like that. And then, okay, I'm gonna try this again. So like this. Yeah. Okay, I will get this. Go around like that. Grab like this. And then I guess we have a shirt like that. That doesn't look right. I guess like that now? Wait, is that correct? So they have it like that. And then, boom. Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess that kind of works. Well, it is. I guess we're gonna have to say that this one kind of works. Honestly, I don't think it's that much harder just to fold a shirt like this. That's how I fold my shirts. Probably wrong. Yell at me down in the comments down below. Or like this, so you can see the logo. Or my favorite method is just to roll them up in like a shirt burrito. But then they're a little bit wrinkled after, but not a big deal. Anyway.